Yeah. Yeah. You can watch only my videos. You can rewatch my life. Yeah, because tomorrow I have school already. Sunday. And I will wake up very early. 5 o'clock in the morning I wake up. Because I have school. The kids here will go to school also. What grade are you now, Mariam? Don't be sad. Don't cry. Because Friday and Saturday I have a live also. You can come. But your priority is your school. That is important. How was your mama? How is your mama now, Mariam? Say regards to her. Visit from me. Hello, Ali. Good morning, Ali. Yes, you can come. Leo Ropolido. Taga Bunawan di ay ka. Bisaya di ay ka, Leo. Nakulat man po kayo, guys. I'm okay. Maong Kati, good morning. Good morning. I'm okay, Ali. And how about you? Thank you, Maong Kati. Thanks for the thumbs up. Oh, Iwata Ilaw, Mix Vlog. Hello. Good morning, Diwata. Salamat sa tamsak. Thank you. Gobernador Iwan. Ano to? Nagadagan ka o Gobernador, Vice Governor Leo. Good luck sa election. Nay, good morning, Nay. Good morning. Thank you very much, Mayang, for your support, for watching my live video. Thank you very much, my dear. Good morning, Nay. Aga mo naman nagising. What do you mean, Ali? Mom wife my okay? I can't understand, Ali. What do you mean?